Hi guys! In today's video, I will use filters combined with split screen effects to create a creative effect. If you want to replicate it to attract viewers, let's get started together. In VideoProc Editor, click Create now to start a new project. Select a video and click Add to import it. Move the playhead to the desired position. Select the video and click the split button below to cut it into two parts. Then, click the Delete button to remove the unnecessary portion. Find the Filter tab and click it. Choose the desired filter type and apply a suitable filter. Drag the slider to adjust the intensity. Then click here to apply the adjustments. Next, find the Copy button and click it to duplicate the video. Click Switch to PIP to move it to a new track. Align the two videos. Then click Filter again to select a different style for this clip. Adjust the intensity as needed. And return to the main interface to modify the start time. Locate the Crop button and click it to enter the crop interface. Drag the adjustment point on the left side of the frame to retain only 2/3 of the screen. Click here to apply the crop. And in the preview window, adjust its position to align with the right side. Click Copy again to create a third clip. Drag it to a new track and adjust its start time. Click Filter. Select a different filter type and apply a new filter to it. Return to the main interface and enter the crop interface again. This time, crop only 1/3 of the screen and apply the adjustment. Finally, find the animation. Click it and add an Appear animation to the clip. Choose Swipe Left to quickly apply the effect. For the second clip, click Animation and also add Swipe Left to it. You can drag the slider to customize the duration of the effect. Once all edits are complete, click Export to render your final video. That's all for today's tutorial. Download VideoProc Editor and try it yourself.